Welcome to the Whiskey Creek Railway. I want to give you some update on the retaining wall. We have put another 40 hours of work compared to the last update of a week ago. As a reminder, the Whiskey Creek, you can see it in the far down the hill. It's completely dry. It has not rained significantly in a while. Let's see more in details what has been done this weekend. As you can see, with the corrugated pipes that are protected in their socket, a lot of drainage so that when it rains, the water can escape and does not flush the wall down. Everything which has a wall has a pipe at the base. You can see the rail, which is the reference point. The 2x4 here is exactly where the bridge is going to arrive. There will be a 20-foot span bridge coming from under the deck and in the air. The bridge has already been built and tested underweight. Let's move. Let's move. Be careful not to fall. Here we go. And now a little view from above. If you have any question, you can ask them through the comment section below. Thank you for looking. I appreciate it.